And you can see how big the clusters are. I mean, these are like grapes. Can you see that? Good grief, look at that. And up here, look at the clusters, the size of these clusters of muscadines. Just cluster after cluster after cluster. Yeah, it's gonna take a while to pick all these muscadines. The muscadines are so heavy and so thick this year, it's actually pulling my trellis apart. Look at that. Look at those just clusters and more clusters and more clusters. Good grief. I think this is the heaviest year that we've ever had. Now, muscadines don't all mature at the same time, so I like to pick them only when they're really super ripe. Like you can see, maybe you can see that it's kind of a dull color. I know that that was definitely ready and ripe. Look at that. It's full dark black all the way around. That's going to be a very, very sweet one. Well, all the muscadines have been rinsed and washed and inspected to make sure I don't have any bad ones in there. And you can see this large pot. That's about 50% of that pot already. Now, this is the second time we've done those already this season, and I've been saving the juice from it. I'll probably have one more good picking like this. When they cook down a little bit, I will be going in with a potato masher and mash them, mash them, mash them, mash them, mash. Mash them up as well as I can with that. Now, to make sure that they start to come out with the juice real well, I did add 3 cups of water in it. Because this is a large pot, I wanted to make sure I had a good layer of water across the bottom to start boiling to build up steam. And the steam will not build up unless I put the top on it. So, I'll let this boil down, let all the muscadine skins open up, and as it does, you'll be surprised how much juice you get out of this. Well, it's been boiling now off slowly for about 30 minutes on low heat. Let's just take a look. Look at all that. Yeah. Yeah, they're starting to pop open now. Oh, I can feel how soft they are. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the heat off now, and I'll just let it cool down a little bit, and then I'll mash it all up real well. What I want to show you is, look at all the juice. I mean, my gosh, this was almost all solid muscadines. Now it's, by far more juice than it is muscadines. Well, that's 19 pints of muscadine jelly, and that's not even all the muscadines.